WinningPrizeSearch.com, helping you maximize your chances of winning great prizes. Go to WinningPrizeSearch.com to find great sweepstakes, contests, competitions for prizes to enter. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. How to win instant win prizes. Watch this video to learn how to increase your chances of winning more often. Winning an instant win prize is a lot of fun. You don't need to wait a day, a week, or even a month. You know you won right away. But did you know that there are certain things that you can do to increase your chances of winning instant wins more often? Watch this video for details on how to do exactly that. Following are 5 very specific strategies on how to increase your chances of winning more instant win prizes. Number 5. Enter right at the very beginning of a promotion. Why? Well, when the sponsor is first gearing up for a promotion, very few people know about it. But the ones that do have excellent chances of winning simply because so few people are entering. So how do you find out about just released promotions? Well, one way of course is to find out who the judging agencies are that manage the promotions and then sign up for their newsletters. Simply look at the rules because usually it's listed in the rules of the promotions. Alternatively, you can create a free account at winningprizesearch.com, and as new sweepstakes come in, or contests or competitions, you'll be one of the first people to know about it. Number 4. Just like you'd enter at the very beginning of a promotion, mark the end date of instant win promotions as well, and be vigilant in entering those. The reasoning behind this is simple. Most promotions tend to get the maximum number of entrants towards the beginning and middle of the promotion simply because that's when the big effort is being made, but peter off towards the end. And most instant win promotions tend to spread out the prizes fairly evenly. Since there is less promotion, there tend to be less people entering. And of course, less people entering means better chances for you. For example, if a promotion has 100 prizes and is spread out over 4 weeks, there will be 25 prizes each week. However, in week 4, when few people are entering, there's still 25 prizes, and so if you enter then, your chances of winning something is very good. And you can pick up some very nice prizes. Number 3. Enter early in the morning or late at night. Why? Since sponsors want to spread out the prizes evenly, they tend to also do it during the day as well. Since most people like taking a break to enter contests or sweepstakes or competitions during working hours, if you enter when people are sleeping, or if you enter when it's late at night and they're just trying to relax and they're winding down, watching TV, or going to sleep, you'll have less competition and be more likely to pick up a nice prize. Number 2. Be interactive with the sponsors. Why? Perhaps you enter every day and you win absolutely nothing. However, if you are actively participating in the sponsor's Facebook page, their website forums, their Twitter feed, other social media, their company page, and so forth, you might actually pick up some prizes for free. Why? Because, first of all, sponsors like people who interact with their brand in an upbeat and happy manner. It makes other people feel good and increases the likelihood of someone doing business with them. Second, many times there will be prizes left over at the end of the promotion for a variety of reasons. Perhaps not enough people entered near the end, as in number 3. Or perhaps someone didn't correctly fill in an affidavit, or a prize was undeliverable, and so forth. Or there might just be some other reason. However, the sponsor still wants to award the prize. So if you've engaged with the brand in a happy, upbeat manner, and they can see you have influence with other people, they may actually contact you to award your prize for free just for being a great brand ambassador. I know I've done it, and I've personally worked with judging agencies who have done it as well. So do it, and you might get an unexpected prize in return. And of course, the number 1 strategy is simply go to winningprizesearch.com, register for a free account, and find prizes there. It's a prize search engine that is constantly improving to help give you the best chances of winning, so do it now. Good luck.